For the Arizona Notary Public Exam, we are covering the critical duty of determining a signer's awareness and willingness before proceeding with a notarization. Many documents require notarization specifically to prevent fraud and to ensure that a signature was made willingly and not under duress. As a notary, you are the frontline defense against this, and the exam will test your judgment in these situations. The core responsibility is twofold. First, you must determine that the signer is aware of the general nature of the document they are signing. They don't need to be a legal expert, but they must demonstrate a basic understanding. Second, you must determine they are signing willingly, free from coercion or pressure. The Arizona Notary Public Reference Manual provides guidance that you may refuse a notarization if you feel the signer is being coerced or does not have full control of their mental faculties. On the exam, you might see a scenario where a family member brings in an elderly parent who seems confused to sign a power of attorney. The question will ask for the correct course of action. Even if the signer has a valid government-issued ID, if they cannot answer simple, open-ended questions like, "Can you tell me what this document is for?" you must refuse the notarization. The trick on the exam is to prioritize mental capacity over identification. A common trap is a question where a boss is pressuring an employee to sign a document quickly. Your duty is to the signer, not their employer. A good practice and a key exam concept is to engage the signer in a brief, direct conversation. If other people are in the room, especially if they are doing all the talking, you should politely ask to speak with the signer alone. A great mental shortcut to remember on exam day is awe. Assess awareness and willingness by engaging. This reminds you to directly engage the signer to make your determination. If you refuse a notarization on these grounds, it is crucial to record the refusal in your notary journal, detailing the reasons why you determined the signer lacked awareness or willingness. This protects you and creates a record of your diligence. Failure to faithfully discharge the duties required of a notary is grounds for suspension or revocation of your commission under Arizona law. Making this topic essential for passing your exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.